My name is Mamoon Tayyab and I am a teacher of O and A levels accounting. I am based in Karachi. I teach in various schools of Karachi. Today's topic is postings of transaction in general ledger. While reviewing this video, you must have this handout with you. The link is given in the description. You have to take a printout of this handout. You have to keep this handout with you physically and a register with a calculator and a pen, and you have to then look at this video. After looking at this video, you will going to understand how the transactions are posted in general ledger or T accounts. Okay, first of all, we will understand the rules of debit and credit. Rules of debit and credit. Transactions are exchange of value. The narrations written in question number 3 of this handout, these narrations are English language statements which are transactions. These narrations, these English language statements are to be converted into accounting language, are to be transferred, are to be transformed, are to be written down in the form of accounting. So how we are going to do this? For understanding this, we should understand these two terms, debit and credit. There is no English meaning of this term debit and credit. We have discussed assets, liabilities, capital, expenses and revenue in our previous sessions. इन एसेट्स, लाइबिलिटीज़, कैपिटल और रेवेन्यू में जो मूवमेंट्स होती हैं इंक्रीज़ और डिक्रीज़ की, दैट मूवमेंट्स आर रिकॉर्डेड और रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय टू नोशंस, डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट. The set of rules of debit and credit need to be memorized first before going into postings of this transaction. Now how you will going to memorize? Through practice. You keep these rules on a piece of paper with you, and for every transaction which you post in general ledger, follow the rules, go back to the rules, refer to the rules, and automatically you will be able to learn the rules. Transaction means exchange of value. This is what we have discussed earlier. Exchange of value. For example, a business buys furniture and pays through check. It's a transaction because furniture as an asset is increasing and check ke through pay kar rahe, bank balance is decreasing. So it's a transaction. So there are numerous transactions that incurs in business on routine basis. We need to record these transactions in a typical form in a typical format which is done in accounting, and we have to follow the set of rules of debit and credit. The set of rules in debit and credit says that assets and expenses. In a business, if assets and expenses increases, they are written as debit, and when they decreases, they are shown as a credit record, a credit entry. For liabilities, capital and revenue, the rule is vice versa. If liabilities or capital or revenue increases, they are recorded as credit, and if they decreases, they are recorded as debit. This is a set of rules of debit and credit. There is no definition, no literal meaning of debit and credit. We have to record these transactions on the basis of these rules in general ledger. Now how we will going to do this? General ledger, it's a book in which the transactions, the English language narrations are converted into accounting language, and they are recorded in a book called as general ledger. The general ledger, this is a set of rules of debit and credit which we are going to refer again and again. And this page, you see, I refer this page as general ledger. General ledger. Question number 3. This must be with you people in physical printout form. The link is given in the description. you just take out the printout of this link and keep it with you while reviewing this video, by watching this video. Write up the assets, liabilities in the capital account to record the following transactions in the books of F. Murray. F. Murray is a business, is a person for whom's business you are preparing the T accounts or the general ledger. तो सबसे पहले पार्टी का नाम लिखा जाता है. We will write F. Murray. फिर लिखेंगे हम जनरल लेजर. फिर लिखेंगे हम फॉर द month ended July 2017, and then we will draw a line. In general ledger you will find these types of format. You will find formats of such shape. Right, I am including this portion of whiteboard in general ledger, right? So this shape, these types of shapes are prepared in a book called general ledger, right? You can see that every shape is like a T. That is why it is also called T account. And for every T account there is right hand side, left hand side and right hand side. We will write currency on the extreme corners of the T account. This side, this left hand side is the debit side, which will be represented by DR, and this is the credit side. This is the debit side, this is the credit side. Debit side hai, every T accounts have two sides, debit, and there is no meaning of debit and credit, by the way. No, you cannot or you should not assign any meaning to the term debit or credit. You should not assign any meaning to the term debit or credit. You should learn this debit and credit like left hand side is debit and this side, right hand side is credit. Okay, here we will write currency. In Cambridge, dollar is used. Now look at the transaction number 1 of 1st July 2017. It says started business with 15,000 in the bank. Murray has $15,000 in the bank. He has $15,000 with him. He decided to invest and start a business. जब उसने इन्वेस्टमेंट करने का प्लान किया तो he invested in the business by keeping this 15,000 in the bank account. We have already learned that bank is an asset of business. Assets whenever increases, the rule suggests assets increases, they should be posted on the debit side. So we will give a title to this T account, and the title which we will going to give to this account is bank. And as asset, that is bank, is increasing, we will record on the debit side of this bank account 15,000. We will write date 1st July 2017 here, and at the same time this amount is becoming our capital. Our capital is also increasing because मैंने आपको बताया था कि capital is the amount which a person invests in the business. If a person invests money in the business, capital account of the business increases because this is the amount which is given by a natural human being to an artificial being called business. Here comes the concept of separate entity. Business is a separate artificial person distinctive from the person who actually owns the business. These two lines are very important to understand, and they are examinable in CAI papers, right? Business is a separate, you are preparing the accounts of business of F. Murray. So business of F. Murray, in business of F. Murray, his business bank balance is increasing along with the capital. So we will write capital, we will give title of account to this T account capital, and we will write on the credit side because liability capital is increasing, it should be on the credit side. This is the credit side of the capital. Once we are done with this, we will put narrations. बैंक को हमने डेबिट किया था अगेंस्ट कैपिटल, तो वी विल राइट कैपिटल हेयर, एंड कैपिटल को हमने क्रेडिट किया अगेंस्ट बैंक, वी विल राइट बैंक हेयर. So the person who is having an accounting knowledge, by looking at this T account, will understand that F. Murray in the month of July, on 1st July, invested $15,000 in the business by putting this amount in the bank balance, in the bank account. Whosoever will see this capital account will going to understand this thing, that F. Murray started business on 1st July by investing 15,000 in the business and 15,000 are kept in bank. This step in accounting is called postings of transaction. We have posted this English language statement narration in the T account called bank and capital. Every transaction will have two effects, a debit effect and a credit effect. Every transaction will have two effects, a debit effect and a credit effect. Now move on to the second transaction. Bought office furniture by check 1200. Office furniture. For any business, office furniture is an asset. And assets when increases, they should be posted on the debit side according to the rules, right? So what we will do, we will give a title to this account, office furniture. Office furniture debit. There is no meaning of debit, but person who understands accounting language by reviewing this T account will understand that F. Murray bought office furniture for 1200. Paying through check means bank balance has decreased. So bank account तो already बना हुआ है. So we will post on the credit side of the bank $1200 against capital, and we will write against furniture, and we will write this date of 2nd July here, and against office furniture we will write bank on 2nd of July 2017. Furniture debit by 1200 and bank account credit by 1200. This is called postings of transaction. This English language statement is converted into accounting language by following the rules of debit and credit. We need to understand, we need to learn these rules of debit and credit, and how we will be learning now, not by rectification, by practicing, keeping these rules with you in the written form while solving the questions. Refer to these rules again and again, and after 2 to 3 questions you will be memorizing these rules of debit and credit, right? The third transaction is bought machinery 1400 on credit from Trees Limited. Bought machinery. Machinery is an asset. Machinery is an asset, and assets whenever increases they should be posted on the debit side. Assets increase होंगे तो debit होंगे. तो हमने क्या किया, मशीन का एक अकाउंट खोला and we have posted machine 1400 like here. On which date? 3rd of July 2017. We have bought machine, but we haven't paid for that machine. We owe for that machine that we have bought, and to whom we owe? We owe to Trees Limited. हमने अभी पैसे Trees Limited को दिए नहीं है, देने हैं तो हमारी liability बन गया, and liability जब increase होती है तो increase in liability is credit. So we will open an account called Trees Limited. Trees Limited लिख दिया, and we will open another account called Trees Limited. Trees Limited is liability, and liability increases, so it should be on the credit side. So I have posted this on credit side, Trees Limited credit against machine. On which date? On 3rd of July 2017. जो accounting की समझ रखता है, he is going to understand this, that the machine has been bought by F. Murray on 3rd of July. From whom? From Trees Limited. Not by paying, so Trees Limited will become liability. Next transaction. Bought a van paying by check 6010. Van is an asset for business. assets whenever increases they should be posted on the debit side. We will open an account of van. हमने van का एक account खोला, van का एक account हमने खोला. Van is an asset and assets whenever increases they should be posted on the debit side. The rules of debit and credit are written. Van we have bought for 6,010. Van debit and bank credit on 5th of July 2017. Bank account हमारे पास already है. We will post this amount. Bank is decreasing. Bank is our asset. If we are paying through check, this means our bank balance decreases, and as the bank balance decreases, decrease in asset rule applies. Asset decrease होगा. Decrease in asset is credited 6010 against van. On which date? On 5th of July. Right? Now, sold some of the furniture not suitable for the business for $150 on credit to D. Twings and Sons. We have sold office furniture. Office furniture हमने सेल कर दिया. भाई ऑफिस फर्नीचर हमने ख़रीदा था ना, पड़ा है ना हमारे पास ऑन द डेबिट साइड. नो 1200. इसमें से नॉट सूटेबल, इसमें से कुछ पोर्शन नॉट सूटेबल फॉर द बिजनेस एंड इट इज़ सोल्ड. एंड व्हेन इट इज़ सोल्ड ऑन क्रेडिट to D. Twings and Sons. This means that we have sold it, but we haven't yet received the cash, or we have not yet received the check. So we have sold it on the credit basis to a person from whom we have to take money, but we have not yet taken it. So that person will become our asset because he will be our debtor now. Debtor or trade receivable or account receivable. Not exactly trade receivable. The best thing is account receivable or debtor, right? तो ट्रेड रिसीवेबल हमने ट्रेड रिसीवेबल हम इसको नहीं कहेंगे टेक्निकली. क्यों नहीं कहेंगे ये आगे जाके आपको समझ आएगी. अब इसको अकाउंट रिसीवेबल या डेटा पढ़ें. अकाउंट रिसीवेबल, अब तो पैसे लेने हैं सिंपल. तो हम उस बंदे का नाम के एक अकाउंट खोल देंगे. वी विल ओपन एन अकाउंट ऑफ डी ट्विंग्स एंड सन्स. डी ट्विंग एंड सन्स. दिस डी ट्विंग्स एंड सन विल बी डेबिटेड क्योंकि हमने इससे पैसे लेने हैं, क्योंकि दिस इज आवर एसेट नाउ. दिस पर्सन इज आवर एसेट नाउ. एसेट्स इंक्रीजेस, दे शुड बी पोस्टेड ऑन द डेबिट साइड. सो 8th of July 2017. And we have sold office furniture. Office furniture asset था, डिक्रीज हो गया. डिक्रीज इन एसेट क्रेडिट 150 से, और हमने यहाँ पे लिख दिया D